A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
If he can feed 5,000, he can feed you too. If he can feed 5,000, he can feed you too. Yeah, think about it very seriously. Don't doubt. I'm now going to tell you the story before me read it. So follow me now. And by the way, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Share it with a friend, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So anyway, today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 15. After this, Jesus left go over to the other side of Galilee Sea with him follower them. Them call it Tiberias Sea too. One big crowd of people follow back at him, cause them see the powerful miracle them him did a walk and make sick people get better. So Jesus go up on one hillside and sit down up there with him follower them. Now, at the nearly time for the Jew them Passover holiday. When Jesus look around and see the big crowd of people that come to him said to Philip, which party can buy food for give them people here? Jesus didn't know him did go do already. But him said that to Philip, because him did want to find out when would I say. Philip answer him and say, no even 8 months what appear would have enough for buy food, for make none of them people you get even one little toops of food. Then when I'm other follower them, Andrew, Simon Peter brother, said to him, say, see one little boy with 5 little wheat bread and 2 little fish, but how them are going to serve for so much people? Jesus said, let the people them sit down. No, enough grass did about the place. The people them sit down and the number of the man them add up to about 5,000. So Jesus take the food, give God thanks for it, and share it, get all of the people them. Then get as much as them want. After that, he take a fish and do the same thing. After everybody belly full up, Jesus said to him, follower them, say, take up all our leftover so that not no waste. So them take up the leftover food and full up 12 baskets with what they find. When the people them see the powerful sitting where Jesus do, they start saying to them one another, are the prophet who did for come in the world is for true? No, true Jesus didn't know. So they didn't want to force him to turn them king. Him left the so and go back up in the hill. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.